You are fine. I am fine too. I'm taking up your live class. Do you want to study? I'm most welcome. I welcome those students who are willing to study the determiner through live classes. I request all of you to make your presence in the comment box and be ready. Let's join the classes because the topic that we are reading is really very important and useful to us in all ways. Okay, we crossed the area of the origin of determination, definition, other parts of the speech as or determiner, and its classification. Now there are left some distinct different usage of the determiners in our English language. And those rules are very important for all of us, which we have to study. Okay. Today I'm going to describe you the usage of the determiner in different ways. The topic is the same. The determiner is the same topic. The use of some. This grammatical element is a word of the determiner. It means in our Hindi language, few. It is plural in meaning and sense. And so is plural in use. When it is used as a determiner, a noun comes after it. The noun may be plural as well as uncountable. When the noun comes in the plural form, the verb comes in plural form. When the noun comes in uncountable form, now I'm erasing just above. I'm erasing some of the lines from the above. When the noun comes in uncountable form, The verb remains singular. Now we see that we have recorded necessary rules and conditions, and after the description of the usage of the word some, we need to take very suitable examples so that we may understand very fittingly and brilliantly. Now see here, verbic grace here. Number one, about dash pains. Option A, much. Option B, some. Option C, lot. Option D, lots. You can notice one example. That example is I bought dash pens. There are four options given below. The first option includes the word much, the second option B includes the word some, the option C includes the word lot, and the option D includes lots. To your thinking and your best knowledge, which of the options is correct? Option B is correct. I bought some pens. Number two, you gave me dash water. Option A, many. Option B, lots. Option C, some. Option D, lot. You gave me dash water. The first option includes many, the second option includes lots, the option C includes some, option D includes lot. There are four options of a single example that is written above. Which option do you select? Which option is the best? Some. I have mentioned here the rules, conditions with the examples, but we have not understood. Now I am going to make understand in very clear and lucid way and manner. In the grammatical sound study of the grammatical expression, the determiner, we do find that the term some is regarded as a determiner. The word some is a determiner. It always comes before a noun. It always comes before a plural noun and an uncountable noun. Better be if we say that the expression some always stands not only before a plural noun but also before an uncountable noun. The meaning of the word some in our Hindi language is few. When it comes, when the word some comes before a plural noun, it always takes a plural verb. When the word some comes before an uncountable noun, a verb in the singular form stands. Okay, this is the rule. The most important point to note is that when the word when the word some is implemented as a determiner, it always comes before the noun. The noun may be both plural and an uncountable. According to the coming noun, the verb should be used. Okay, this is the basic rule about the application of some. I bought some pens, therefore some much, some lot, lots. You gave me dash water, many lots, some lot. Okay, the option in the first example, the option B is correct. In the second example, option C is correct. Okay, do you understand? or do you fail to understand? Try to grasp. We all should have gumption and patience for any kind of work that we do and perform very necessarily. The use of much. This element is a word of determiner or a word of the determiner. It means in our Hindi language, it means in our Hindi language little or lot. This word is uncountable in meaning and sense, and so is uncountable in use. When this term stands before, sorry, when this term is when this term is implemented as a determiner, it always stands before an uncountable noun. Before an uncountable noun. And so does it take a singular verb. Now I have described the rule. Our next step is that we have to understand its basic example. Allow me to read from the above two lines. Be active in the work. Be active in thinking. Be active in taking decision. Be active in performance. And be active in those at studies. Now see here, verbic grace here. Number one, I have dash milk. Option A. Many. Option B. Much. Option C. Lots. Option D. Lot. I have written down one example. I have dash milk. There are four options you can see. The first option many, the second option more, the third option lots, and the fourth option lot. Which option do you want to select to fill in the gap? Much. Second example I am giving you. Number two, you threw away dash oil. Option A. Lots. B. Lot of. C. Many. And D. Much. You threw over dash oil. First option lot, second option lot of, option C many, option D much. Which option is the best? Option D is best. Now, what is necessary for us? It is necessary for us to understand very clearly. What is very clearly to understand? To understand and grasp the meaning of and the usage of much. As we know that the term much is a word of determiner. In the study of the determiner, the rule says that the word much is regarded as uncountable in meaning and sense, and so is singular in use. The fundamental meaning of much in our English as well as Hindi language is little, lot. Okay. In other words, we can say that abundant, enough. When this term is implemented as a determiner, the rule of grammar say that as this term much is implemented as a determiner, the rule of grammar say that this word always stands before an uncountable noun. This word always stands before an uncountable noun. It never comes before a plural noun and a singular noun. And that's why it's the reason that the singular verb is used. What is the word milk? It is uncountable. That's why much is suitable. What is the word oil? It is uncountable. That's why the option much is correct. Okay, that's enough. I'm suspending the class. I don't know where you will go, but I know that I shall always stay here. Never wait for anyone because I never wait for you. I do what I like and do what you like. Okay? Wish you a happy, successful student life. See you again. Best of the luck.